Hello guys, it's Karthik here. Welcome to see yet another fascinating project. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Today we'll be looking at an interesting project, diabetes prediction. Diabetes is not caused just by eating too much sugar. Well, it says everything in one line why we chose this project. We'll be getting the input of all the test reports and use some ML algorithms to predict if one has diabetes or not. On the top right corner, you'll see the nerve bar. This little box over here is where the user can seek for help. It is a doctor bot. Let's say, good evening. Good evening, how may I help you? Let's say I want to check for diabetes. You have come to the right place. Did you take all the tests? Yes. Good. Scroll down the website and you'll find a form where you have to fill your results. Okay. 1 in 6 people with diabetes in world is from India. India is home to 77 million diabetics, second highest in the world. Diabetics, biggest worry in India. How can diabetes be managed? Diet. Follow a Mediterranean diet or DASH diet. These diets are high in nutrition and fiber and low in fats and calories. Exercise. Exercise regularly. Try to exercise at least 30 minutes and most of the days of a week. Monitor health. Monitoring your blood glucose and monitoring your blood pressure. Appointments. Keep your appointments with your healthcare providers and having laboratory tests completed as your doctor said. Yeah, now we come to the main part. Number of times pregnant. Let's say 12. Plasma glucose concentration for 2 hours in oral glucose tolerance test. We give this 140. So you can see here we have several things over here. Suppose if you have any doubt, you can go to the chatbot and say suppose I say type what is BMI. BMI is a person's weight in kilograms divided by the square of height in meters. A high BMI can indicate high body fatness. Okay. Is my BMI normal? A BMI of less than 18.5 means that a person is underweight. A BMI over 30 indicates obesity. What will happen if I have high blood sugar level? Yeah, a blood sugar level. High blood sugar is called hyperglycemia. Some symptoms of hyperglycemia are frequent urination, increased thirst, uh, hunger, blood, vision fatigue, cuts, and kidney damage, blood vessels, nerve over time complications. Okay, I want to check my urine test report. Yeah, this gives me a chart where I can see and check whether it is normal or abnormal. How to treat diabetes? I have few doubts about insulin. Why? Why we need insulin? To help evaluate insulin production by the beta cells in pancreas, to help diagnose the presence of an insulin and producing tumor in the islet cells, insulin sample. A blood sample drawn from a vein in your arm. What diet should I follow? We have to maintain blood sugar level, insulin, and blood pressure. We'll click on blood sugar level. We'll rephrase the sentence. Uh, Suppose say, what is Mediterranean diet? Mediterranean diet, red meats and sweets. We enjoy sparingly poultry, eggs, and dairy, fish, whole grains, legumes, physical activity, practice daily. What are the complications of diabetes? Yeah, you can see if your blood glucose level remains high over a long period of time, some complications, kidney damage, nerve damage, skin infections, eye damage, erectile dysfunction, hearing loss. How to diagnose diabetes? Diabetes is diagnosed and managed by checking your glucose level in blood tests. There are three tests: fasting plasma glucose tests and all others. Okay, now let's check the model. 12 on 40, 85 blood pressure, triceps say 33, insulin say 0, BMI 37.4, pedigree function 0.244, age 41. Okay, let's click on submit. We'll wait for it. Yeah, we have it. You don't have diabetes. It's as simple as it is. Yeah, we have come to the end. Done by Bharatwaj Murli, Karthik B and Kavini K. Yeah, thank you.